Here are 60 questions to master the concepts of line. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have a complete test paper on equation of lines, slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is written as y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope, right? And b is y-intercept. In this video, we have 60 questions for you to practice and get a command on equation of lines, especially when written in slope-intercept form. Questions have been categorized into following groups. Read slope and gradient. Slope and gradient is one and the same thing. Read slope or gradient from the equation. Read y-intercept from the equation. Rearrange to find gradient and y-intercept. Equation of line from the graph. We have three types of graphs here from which you need to find the equation of line. Sketch graph using y-intercept and slope. Sketch graph using intercepts, find points on the line, and then we conclude with about 20 questions based on communication, application, and thinking. So that's a big chunk which can help you consolidate the learnings. So in this video, we'll actually provide you with all the 60 questions. The idea is that you can actually pause your video and answer them as you move along. In the following videos, I'm going to discuss solution of these questions. Each category will be dealt separately. So here are the first 4 questions in which you need to find the gradient or the slope of the line. So basically, you have to write in the form of y equals to mx plus b and find what m is. So m gives you the gradient. 4 equations are given to you here. Then we have another set of 4 questions, in which case you need to find the y-intercepts. So this time, when you write the equation in the form of y equals to mx plus b, identify the y-intercept, which is b. It really means when x is 0, what is the value of y? A point where the line intersects the y-axis. Correct. Then the next set of 4 questions are, you need to find the gradient or the slope of a line after rearranging the equations. Now the equations are not given to you in slope-intercept form, so you need to rearrange the equations to find the gradient or the slope of the line. Clear? You can always pause the video and then answer and then move on. Next set of 4 questions is rearrange the equations to find the y-intercept this time. Perfect. Simple. So till now we have done few very basic questions, knowledge based on slope-intercept form. And now we are moving on to the second category, which is how do we write equation of the line from the graph. So now from question 17 onwards, we'll see how to find equation of a line from the graph. Now here we are given 1 point, but another important thing is that the graph passes through origin. It's like a direct variation, correct? So you effectively have 2 points. Write down the equation of this particular graph. Next question is similar. The only thing is that the line this time is rising. You expect a positive slope going through the point 3, 2. Makes sense, right? Okay, great. So now move to question number 19, which is we are given you 2 points, and this time we have given you y-intercept and a point. Perfect. So find the equation of this particular line. The next question is very similar. where again we have given you the y-intercept and a point. Using the y-intercept and this point, you can find the equation of the line. So once again, just a reminder that the equation of the line will be y equals to mx plus b, where the value of b is given to you. And to find the slope, you have to do rise over run, correct? You'll get the slope. And then you can find the equation of the line. Clear? Next, question number 21. Again, find the equation of line. This time, we are given you two intercepts, x-intercept and the y-intercept. Question 22. X-intercept and y-intercepts are given to you. The line is rising as shown. Find the equation of the line. You can pause the video and answer these questions, right? And in the following videos, you can check your solution. Hope that makes sense. Well, in case you want to learn from me directly, you can send an email on this particular address. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. That is going to help us. Question number 23 will continue with the equation of line. However, this time we have given you two other points. So we have not given you the y-intercept or the x-intercept, but two general points. Correct? Find the coordinates of these points, read them from the graph, and then find the equation. As you know, equation will be y equals to mx plus b, where the slope m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, correct? So based on this concept, we have few more questions to practice. So this time, we have these 2 points given to you, a and b. You have to find the equation of this particular line. Question number 25. Now we look into how do we sketch the graph of a line. We are given the equation y equals to 2x plus 1. It's a slope-intercept form where the y-intercept is 1, slope is 2. So you have to find the equation which is right there. How do you sketch it? So sketch the line now. Perfect. So on sketching the line, we have few questions for you. You can always pause the video and sketch these lines one by one. The graph paper is shown to you, correct? Y equals to minus 3x plus 5. Question number 27. Y equals to minus 5 by 2. So we have fraction, a rational number. So I need you to sketch this line, y-intercept being 4, correct? Question number 28. This time, negative 4 over 3x minus 3 is the equation of the line. I'd like you to sketch this line. Well, in case you have any difficulty, feel free to contact me on the address given. We'll follow with their solutions in the following videos. Question 29. Sketch the graph of the line y equals to 4 over 5x. Note that the graph of 4 over 5x is to be sketched now. Perfect. So it goes through which point? Origin. Correct. Question number 30. Sketch the graph of line y equals to 3. So it could be tricky for some of you. Well, straightforward. Y equals to 3. You have to sketch this particular line. Then question number 31. Write equation of line passing through the point A, 0, 2 with the gradient 2 over 3. So these are kind of word problems, right? So we are given slope and the point. Question 32. So a given point and the slope, you need to find the equation of the line, right? Similarly, we have question number 33. Given the point and the slope, find the equation of the line. So that is the point and this is the slope. Question 34. Given the point and the slope, find the equation of the line, correct? So we have few practice questions based on this concept. Then let's move on. Now you have to write the equation of a line when 2 points are given to you. So here we are given point 2, 3 and minus 3, 3. You can pause the video and answer this question. Question 36, similar to one we had just now, given with 2 points. Question 37, some fraction values are given. Find the equation of the line when these 2 points are given to you. Question 38, application question. Find 2 points on the line y equals to 2x minus 1. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Find 2 points on the given line, x minus 3y equals to 6. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on the address given. Question number 40. Find x-intercept of the line 2x minus 3y equals to 6. 41. Find equation of line if x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is minus 2. Question 42. Write equation of line passing through origin and also parallel to the line y equals to 3x plus 11. Question 43. A line is perpendicular to the line y equals to 2x minus 3. Find the equation if it also passes through minus 1, 4. The next set of questions is, we are talking about special lines now. Write equation of horizontal line through this particular point. And 45 is to write the equation of vertical line through the given line point. Question 46. Line segment AB has slope of 3 by 4 if the coordinates of point A are 1, 3. Find possible coordinates of point B. So we're given that point A, which is the starting point of the segment AB, has coordinates 1, 3. AB has slope of 3 by 4. Find coordinates of point B. Question 47. Multiple choice question. Which of the following points lie on the line y equals to 2x minus 5? Well, note that there could be more than one point, so check the values for all. 48. Which of the following points lie on the given line? Similar question. You may have more than one answer. 49. The x-intercept of the line x plus 4y over 2 equals to 12 is what? So here is the 50th question. The sum of x-intercept and the y-intercept of the line 2x minus 3y equals to 12 is what? Right? So we are now in application-based questions. Question 51. Which of the following is not an equation of the line? Explain your answer. Question 52. Why a line cannot have two x-intercepts? It's a communication question. You need to explain why a line cannot have two x-intercepts. So we missed a question in between, and therefore I've taken here two graphs. Write equation of a line shown in the graph. So we have a vertical and a horizontal line with a given point. As you can read, the coordinates of this point are 3, 4. And the coordinates of the other point, they are also 3, 4. So we have a vertical line going through 3, 4 and a horizontal line going through 3, 4. I'd like you to write out their equations Also note that they are always perpendicular lines, right? Vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, let's move on. Question number 54 here is, it's a communication thinking question. Line y equals to ax plus b pass through the quadrant 3. Provide an example of such a line with negative gradient. Let's try to understand. We are saying quadrant 3 means which quadrant? So that is your quadrant 1, this is 2, and that is 3. Correct? So you're going through quadrant 3. Provide an example of such a line with negative gradient. Question 55. Line y equals to ax plus b pass through quadrant 4, right? Quadrant 4 means this quadrant. Explain which of the following options should be always true. 56. Line 2x plus 3y equals to 12 pass through the point 2, 3, 2k. Find the value of k. 57. Line x plus 2y minus 2k equals to 0 pass through the point 2 minus 2. Find the vertex. Find the value of k. Question 58. Line 2x plus by equals to 2 is parallel to the line 2 minus 3x. Find the value of b. Very interesting question. I'd like you to pause the video, answer these. 59. Determine the equation of a line with same x-intercept as x plus 2y equals to minus 8 and same y-intercept as y minus 2 equals to 5x. The last question here is a word problem. There are two plans for downloading music from a website. Plan A, $10 membership fee and $3.50 per movie download. Plan B, no membership fee but $4 per movie download. Right? That's the great. Write equation to model the given situation. Find the minimum number of downloads for which the plan B is better. So I hope with this you will get good idea about how do we apply the equation of line and how do we get equation of line y equals to mx plus p in different scenarios. So we come to an end of our test questions where you saw 60 questions for practicing. Solutions of these, complete solution of these will follow. So in this playlist you can check your answers anytime with the questions being uploaded now. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.